Hello, third graders, and welcome to our positive action lesson. Today, we are still continuing to think about self-concept, how we think and feel about ourselves, and what we can do to make our self-concept better. So first, I want to look at this first poster on the left. Now, this is called a thoughts, actions, and feelings circle. We can use this to help us change how we are feeling into something more positive. And we'll see how it works in a continuous circle. Now, maybe in math, you've learned about circles and how there is no beginning or no end. Today, we're going to learn about a certain kind of circle, and this is the positive action circle. There's a positive side and a negative side. And we'll learn that our thoughts, actions, and feelings are related. As a result of these thoughts, actions, and feelings, we will either be in a positive or a negative cycle. Let's look at the positive cycle first. We'll go through the process starting at the top. First, you have positive thoughts about yourself and what you do and about others. These thoughts don't just come. Sometimes you have to make an effort to have them. But then they remind you to use positive actions for yourself and others. And the terrific thing about that is that positive feelings about yourself that you have as a result. When we feel positive, it is easy to think positive thoughts. So the cycle continues. Let's talk about some examples and what that would look like. So let's say that you have the thought, I like Maria. Okay, maybe there's a new person in school and you want to be friends with them. And you say, I like Maria. That's your thought. Then your action would probably be to go play with Maria, maybe during recess or something like that. Then your feeling would be, I feel good about myself because I made a new friend. And if you feel good about yourself, then you like yourself. That would be your next thought. Let's try another one. Your thought is that you want to jump like Jimmy. You want to jump like Jimmy. So you start practicing. That's your action. You start practicing jumping. And then you start feeling good about yourself because you succeed at jumping higher. Then when you go to think about something you can do again, like run, you think you can do it. So it's this cycle of if you start having positive thoughts, then it just keeps going and going. Now, on the other hand, if you have a negative thought, let's see what this looks like. So let's see, instead of thinking, I can jump high, okay? Maybe you think, I cannot jump high. Then your action might be that you don't even try. And then you feel sad. And then that just keeps going with other things you try to do. So we always want to try to go on the green positive action cycle. Now let's look at the worksheet at the bottom. Make your life shine. Round out your self-concept. Let's read the directions. In section 1A of the circle, write a complete sentence about a positive thought that leads you to a positive action. Here's an example. I can draw well. So you're going to write that in 1A up here. Then in section 2, write and then draw a positive action that leads to a positive feeling. So that would be over here. So if you think you can draw, then maybe you practice drawing to get better. In section 3, write and then draw the positive feeling about yourself that your positive action creates. So you practice drawing and then you feel good about your talents. Then in section 1B, write a new positive thought that comes from your positive feeling. So if you think that your talents are awesome, then maybe your thought is, I can use my talent for drawing to draw gifts for my friends. So that results in another positive thought and continues in a cycle. Go ahead and fill this out. And to finish this out, we are going to listen to one quick song.
Feelings, they go round and round. One leads to another. This is what I found. When I think a good thought, I'll make my dreams come true. I'll take a positive action and good feelings shine through. Good thought, if it the bad one can bring negative actions out, sending dark and stormy feelings filled with gloom and doubt. Thoughts, actions, feelings, they go round and round. One leads to another. This is what I found. I know I can do it. I try and I succeed. I feel so good inside. I'm happy to be me. Thoughts, actions, feelings, they go round and round. One leads to another. This is what I found. Thoughts.
So remember that your thoughts control what you do, and what you do controls how you feel, and how you feel controls your thoughts. I want you to think about that whenever you get into a situation this week or this weekend that you might need to change your thoughts, feelings, or actions.